how to change network fee currency in Trust Wallet. So if you want to change the network fee currency in your Trust Wallet, then the currency transaction fees can vary depending on the network traffic, and Trust Wallet allows you to choose the currency you pay those fees in. So first, what you need to do is open up your Trust Wallet. Now, after opening your wallet, you need to choose the cryptocurrency you want to send to another wallet. So go and select the cryptocurrency. So from the list, you need to go with your networks. And once you've selected your networks, you'll have the recipient address in the amount section. You need to look for the network fee details below that. It might say fee or network fee. You need to tap on it, and this will usually display the default network fee currency. And at the estimated fee amount, here's where the magic happens. You will see a drop-down menu or a toggle button that allows you to select the fee currency. Trust Wallet typically offers a few options like BNB or the cryptocurrency that you send in. Choose the currency that you want to pay your network fees in, and consider factors like transaction speed and the current price of each currency before making your selection. You need to remember, a higher fee might get your transaction processed faster, while a lower fee might take longer. So it's a balancing act, and that's all. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.